Thank God it's finally Friday. So Ujackson decided that he was going to buy rubies for a beautiful woman, Martha. But unfortunately, those rubies did not really azongoya tambo because he actually thought ukuthi if he buy rubies, then maybe, just maybe, uzothola sembedeni cha lutho. Azange khonakale because Umatha emphasized the fact that I am not ready. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Smoke and Mirrors. Sanibonani abusheni malweni minjani hivukile hingongwina so namuhla kana kwa hina wa Smoke and Mirrors hikuma ku ri swilo swi tshamisekangi kahle looking at the fact that uPhakade decided to speak to uMpendulo and say lalela mfana wami, I know what you're going through is bad and I understand where you're coming from, but I want you to understand ukuthi la kunzima kusetrongweni la athi uMpendulo lalela ke, if I were to be given the same opportunity I will still do what I did previously. Yayiva ke ngoku hakho this sola nanga xithu team. Anyway, Ujackson decided to visit Umpendulo and Umpendulo thought ubona isibhoko because in his mind he thought ukuthi Ujackson ushonile kanti lutho. Ukayise stood up for herself ukuthi family yakhe was busy saying that Umpendulo ulokhu uyinja umgodoyi nani. Then she decided to say, but I'm not too happy about what you're discussing because Umpendulo did not force me. I was there, I was part of it, and it was a consent situation. So then I ask you that I go to jail and then ngiyokhuluma noMpendulo just to find out ukuthi why did he do what he did. Then well, abazali, they were not happy, but then finally they decided yes, she can go. Umpendulo then said that he apologized for everything that he has done, but then Ukayise felt much better on a very lighter note that at least she spoke to Umpendulo and then understand each other, but otherwise she was very emotional about it, but at least she did go there. Umamiki inkosi yami uzwe lethu wamyenzani wamhlikihla wamuphamulekanya phanda abantu athi lalela, if ucanga ukuthi ngilamadoda lawo ajayele ukulala nengane ezincane angiyona leyo ndoda leyo mina mawungibheka ubheka ubaba wakho athi umamiki usho ukuthi udzedze. It was at that moment that I knew Guti, she is not getting it. Then Uzwe let to no, I'm not that kind of a man. I don't do those kind of things. I'm a man.